Pause what you are doing for a moment and take a deep breath. As you watch the video of the waves rolling gently to the shore, let yourself be fully present in this moment. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension. Feel the soothing energy of the waves washing over you, just like the ocean kisses the shore. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze in the air. You are here in this tranquil moment, fully immersed in the calming rhythm of the waves. Continue to breathe deeply and allow the waves to carry away any stress or worries. You are safe and you are at peace. Now slowly count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will become more and more relaxed. When you reach 10, you will feel completely refreshed and ready to continue your day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your gaze on the waves, feeling revitalized and ready to carry this sense of calm with you. You've taken a moment to pause and relax by the shore, watching the waves as they gently roll onto shore. Enjoy the rest of your day with this newfound tranquility.